guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is going to be unboxing and a haul. These are like kind of PR sent for me, and they are like kind of complimentary. Without any further ado, let's go started. And first I'm going to start with this one. These are like kind of foot and hand care pack. These are from MJ Care or Mijin Cosmetics. They sent this to me to try them on, and I couldn't wait to do a review on this one. Next is this one. This is from Wish Trend. Let me find a scissor. This one, they sent this to me so that I can do a video dedicated to this one. I have an affiliate code for them, and I'm going to link it down below if you guys are wanted to try it and use it. And I'm gonna get a little bit of commission if you guys are going to use my affiliate code. It will be says 15. It's just one word, says 15. I'm going to link it down below also. Here they are. They are covered with the bubble wrap. And the first one, it is the by Wish Trend. This is a mandelic acid 5% skin prep water, and I think this is kind of like a toner. So here is the packaging, and then I'm going to open it to see the bottle. It's like kind of sneak peek for you guys. So here it is. It does have 120 ml here, or 4.1 fluid ounces. Still by Wish Trend. This is the polyphenols in propolis 15% ampule. It does have 30 ml or 1.01 fluid ounces. So here it is. It is like a dropper. So it is clear product. So yeah, why is my camera kept moving around? I just fixed this one a while ago. Lastly is this one. I think this is a cream. This is an Acid Duo Hibiscus 63 cream. Here it is. So thank you Wish Trend by sending these products. I couldn't wait to use them. I'm going to cut it here because my son is fully awake. So I'll be back, and I will try to finish this unboxing and try do it later on. So I'll be right back, guys. So I'm back. The next one is this one. And this is from Joycuff. So it's already night, and the kids are already in bed. I opened this a while ago, and this one is from Joycuff, and I got this from Amazon. So they have this it's like a necklace, so it's a jewelry, and this is how it looks like, the container or the packaging. Let me open it. So there's two of them, so I can use put them together or separate, like wearing them. Here it is. It is like initial name or letters. So I've got the letter J, and then the other one is like this too. So it's just like a simple, like what do you call this, What kind of a necklace is this? It's like kind of a choker, but it's not. So it's like a shorter one. And then for this one, you can use it as a bracelet too. Let's see. There's still one more, and the other one is right here. They are actually a fashion jewelry handmade with love, it says right here. Here's the third one. So we have 3 necklaces. I'm going to put it here, the storefront. So if you guys are wanted to try them out, or are you guys interested for this one? Because look at it. It's nice. So you can wear them like this together. So yeah, they're really nice. So I'm going to post this one on my Instagram soon. Next are like nail polish. They are like a gel polish. These are from Madame Glam, New York. First they sent this to me. I already opened them because they are bulky. So they send me what do you call this? They send me lots of different. So they send me a top coat gel, and then a peel off base coat, and then they send me this 3 first. I have in the shade of antique silver, and then creme brulee, and then the last one, it is casual Friday. So I can't wait to do my nails. It comes with this one. This is like a mini UV LED lamp, and it comes with this cord, and this is how it looks like. So basically I plug this and then open this once. So it's like this. So I'm gonna put my nails right here later on. So I'm gonna test this out soon. For now, we're gonna put them here. And then they sent me this, another one, which is this one. I think these are like surviving breast cancer, dedicated to breast cancer. So they sent me this 3 again. So it comes with this ribbon. So I'm gonna keep this ribbon too, and actually put it here. And then it comes, they send me this 3 different colors again, or shades. This one is French Alps, and then the second one is Siberian Storm. So they're like a more of a kind of plain like color. And then the next one, it is Australian Wonder. It looks like kind of light purple thingy, like lavender. So there are soak off gel polish. So I can't wait to do my nails here. The last one, it is from Influencer and from Function of Beauty. They send me this one's right here. These are like for curly hair. So they send me 2 like shampoo or conditioner. This one is for curly hair conditioner with shea butter, and with curly hair shampoo with chia extract. So let's smell them. Let's see. It smells good. It smells like strawberry. It nice. It's like strawberry in it. This one, these are really cute though. The packaging. Whoa. This one smells like really good. So I don't know how to take this off. And then it comes with this too. They are like kind of booster shots, and then it's strengthened. So I don't know which one is putting it in. I look like snap open your hair goal. Pour one shot in the function of beauty shampoo and one shot into your functional beauty conditioner. Each box contains. Oh, so there's two of them. So each of so it says here this is for shampoo and this is for conditioner. So there's two of them. I thought there's only like one. And then so for this one, it does have two the same thing, and this one is define a definition of curly. So both of them, I'm gonna put them on each container too. Both of them are fragrance free, so I can't wait to try this one. And they have a variety too. They have in for strength hair, both shampoo and conditioner. And then that one, it comes with coconut water and avocado oil. And then they have for wavy hair, which is fermented rice water that it strengthens and increases elasticity, and argan oil. So for mine, it does have chia extract, helps shape and define curls. And then the next one with is shea butter, deeply nourishes and enhances curls. So that will be nice because my hair is like kind of dead, although I have a curly hair, but like you can see it is really dull and a frizzy one. And then lastly, they have the coily hair, so like really curl hair. And it comes with the flaxseed oil, promotes healthy and scalp nourishes strands, and Jamaican black castor seed oil to help revive coils, maintain moisture. Wow, this one's really promising. So that's it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please give this a thumbs up and see you on my next video. Bye.